Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Don from 1A Auto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And the next time you need a part for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and reinstall a door panel on this Ford ZX2. This vehicle has manual windows, so if you have power windows, it'll be a slightly different procedure. The only tools you'll need are a small flat blade screwdriver and a Phillips screwdriver.
On the inside of your panel, you're going to find two plastic rivets. With this one here, you're going to push in the center, not too hard, and then use a little screwdriver and pry it out. You're going to reset it back in when you put it back in. And here, this one just pulls out the center, and the whole thing comes out. By the door handle, you're going to find two plastic covers. And I'm taking those off and removing the two Phillips head screws underneath.
And we'll just speed up a little bit as we remove those two screws.
And on the end of the door, two plastic Phillips head rivets. Unscrew them, pull out the center. To remove the door handle, we're going to use a special tool. It's made out of a paper clip. So you're going to bend it in an L, and then at the end, just put a sharp little bend. And what we're going to do is push in the door panel and find a clip. And when the clip is up, we're going to put in our tool, turn it to grab the clip, and then pull the clip out. See here, this is the clip, and what we did was just went in, tugged, and pulled it out, and then this pops off. I'm going to put the clip back in the handle, slides in the grooves. Take the door panel and pull it away from the door and pop the clips, the little plastic clips underneath. Just apply a little pressure. Pull the door handle out just a little bit while I pull it up.
You'll want to peel back your water shield so you can access where the mirror plugs into the harness in the door.
Remove your three Phillips screws, one here, here, and here.
And we'll just fast forward as we remove those three screws.
Pull out your mirror.
And we did this a little out of order. You should have released this clip first. Just use a small screwdriver. You press in on the teeth at the bottom and then the top and pull the clip out.
We get the old mirror and the new mirror from 1A Auto. They're identical, and they're going to go in just as it came out. Stick your harness through. Line up your mirror and put your screws back in.
And again, we'll fast forward here as we just put those three screws back in and tighten them up.
Put your harness back in. Reconnect it. Putting the door back on, door panel. I'm going to put the door lock rod back in.
Get too far forward. You were in front of the clips with the door panel.
Slide the cover back on. All right, I'm gonna start by put my hand through here and pulling the door handle, getting that kind of lined up, and then snaking the door lock button in its place. Then it's a matter of getting this window, the window seal here up and over the chain, top of the door. Pressing down, seating that, making sure your screw holes line up, and then pop your buttons back in. Put that trim piece on, center it, snap it in, pop rivet, plastic. This one. Our 2 Phillips head.
And we'll speed up here as we just finish up tightening those 2 Phillips head screws, make those nice and firm, and then put all your trim, the 2 rivets in the 2 plastic rivets in the back of the door panel, and then your other trim buttons back on. We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.oneauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.